Equivalence partitioning. Explore black box testing focusing on equivalence partitioning. Learn how it streamlines testing by grouping input data efficiently. Equivalence partitioning explained. Divides inputs into valid and invalid groups called partitions. Reduce test cases while covering all input categories effectively. All values in a partition behave similarly in the system. Benefits of equivalence partitioning. Efficient testing. Fewer test cases needed without losing coverage quality. Better coverage. Tests diverse input categories to catch more defects. Simple execution. Simplifies test design and eases execution process. Example 1, age input field. Valid partition. Age 1 to 120, valid input values. Invalid partition 1. Age less than 1, such as negative numbers. Invalid partition 2. Age greater than 120, exceeding realistic limits. Test cases. Choose example values like 50, -1, and 121 to cover each partition. Example 2, password requirements. Valid partition. Passwords 8 to 16 characters long, alphanumeric. Invalid partition 1. Short passwords under 8 characters. Invalid partition 2. Passwords longer than 16 characters. Invalid partition 3. Passwords containing special characters.